Heat a cooking pot over medium-high heat. Pour the water. We will let it boil before putting the egg. After 7 minutes of cooking, put the eggs on a ice bath to stop them from cooking further. Let it cool for 3 minutes. The soft-boiled eggs are not hardened, so we will fill it gently. This is our ingredients in making soy-marinated ramen eggs. 2 soft-boiled eggs, 6 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We will mix all the ingredients. I just put it gently on a sealable plastic, or you can put all the ingredients in this plastic directly if you want. And we will wait for a few hours so we can use these eggs for our ramen. This is what it looks like while soaking our soft-boiled eggs in a soy sauce mixture.
2 hours later.
This is our soft-boiled eggs for ramen. If you enjoy watching our vlog for today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Romero's channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.